Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. In this video, I am going to show you card making and with a surprise Santa face. The moment you will open the card, the Santa will come out. Isn't it interesting? So without wasting time, let's see our video where you can see how you can make this card. And outside, the front side of the card, you can decorate in your own in different pattern, different style, and you have to promise you will share your work with us because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. Santa wants to say something.
If you like our video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We want more and more people watch us.
Tada! Let's take first a 1/4 of art paper and fold it like a card. Now this is a A4 Xerox paper, A4 sheets. Now you have to fold it from top and bottom. Now fold it from the middle vertically. Now again fold it from horizontally. You will find a cross. So draw a horizontal line according to the folding. Now draw one more line. You see exactly where. In the middle I am drawing one horizontal line. And now draw two more line, parallel line. So you have to fold it. So it looks, look how I'm folding this. So it looks the middle part, the inside part is coming out, and draw a line from both the sides. We will fold it. So looks, it is looking our Santa is wearing a cap. Now draw with the pencil. I am drawing the eyes, nose. In the middle line I have drawn a line in the middle. Already folding was there, so this is helping us to understand the symmetry of the face. Look, scap, this part I am folding. You can see should be look like that. Now this is Santa is made out of our A4 paper. Now I am going to paste it in our 1/4 art paper. Important things to learn how I am pasting. Look, I am drawing a line. So according to this line, we have to cut the paper with the knife and we have to put our Santa inside this. So you can understand, for this reason you have to watch the full video. Before showing that, first you learn how I am decorating our Santa. And this will be also clear how I am going to fix my Santa with my 1/4 art paper. And here this is the real velvet paper I am using to make the cap of my Santa. You can even color also, but red velvet paper looks more real as a cap of the Santa. Use gum, don't use too much of gum, little bit of gum at the edge especially of the cap. Now we will paste the cotton. So take out a clean cotton, use your hand to make the cotton look uniform and smooth. Okay, so be very careful. This here we are using cotton and using the scale to make look smooth. Okay, both the part will be fold
so we don't need cotton over there. So this is the part of the cap, okay, and the back side also, because this side is going to fold, so both the sides look red. Velvet paper. Now make a small ball of cotton. So our cap is this way completed. Now we have to make beard, mustache and all these things. Okay, look, it will be looking like that. So mustache will be looking like this. But before pasting all this, we have to color. So let's start coloring. So I am doing acrylic color, I mean fabric color. You can do pastel coloring also, but I prefer over here either acrylic or fabric color, that it looks more catchy. And very important, when you coloring the nose, leave a white space in it, that your nose looks three-dimensional. Okay, look 3D. Now lips and inside the mouth will be dark color. And when you are making the beard, so make first small ball of cotton, that your beard looks curly and real. Okay, and the cotton you have used for the cap of the Santa, that part should be higher than the beard. Otherwise the cotton used for the cap and the cotton used for the beard, both should not be mixed together. So better the cotton used in cap should be higher than the cotton used for the beard. I hope you have understood and you watch the video. Now this is the mustache, how I am doing the mustache look. Mustache, eyebrow, so everything I have completed. Okay, just doing some finishing using my hand. Beard doesn't look very smooth, but yes, the cotton used for the cap, that should be look smooth. So we can easily differentiate the beard and the cap. So use your scale like this way, so you will get a sharp edge. Now give the border and be very particular when you are coloring the eyeball. In the eyeball you have to keep two small white space. Look, for this reason eye is brightening. And you can see the nose, some expressions. Okay, now I am clearing the smiling. Okay, this way it will be folded, it going to be should look like that. So I have taken A4 origami paper or Fabriano, whatever you say, on our A4 paper, art paper. So we are going to paste this. So watch this video very carefully what I am doing one by one, I mean step by step. So I have pasted one side. Now this is the other part that I am pasting. Okay, and look, this way we have to cut. Okay, so I have cut both the part, you can see. So there is very important now that I am going to show you how I am going to paste our Santa. So this edge will be come inside this. You can see how I am doing. So the moment you will, so if it is, again you have to make it little bit perfect. Okay, so your Santa is going to look like that. Now you can see that magic. If you close it, it will look like that. Yes, and here you have to paste it with the gum. Yes, we have pasted this side. This is the back side. So if you open it, your Santa will be come out like that way. So isn't it interesting? Okay, now we have to decorate outside. So I mean the front side, so that you can decorate in your own wish. Okay, but till here I am showing how I am decorating the cart. This is the velvet paper that I used for making the Santa's cap. So this paper I am again using, and now this is the Fabriano or origami blue sheets I have pasted. I want my card colorful, so I have used red color, blue color. Now I am using green color for making the trees. See very carefully how simply I am making the trees. First I have taken a paper and I have folded this. After folding, I have drawn trees and I am cutting this. You can see the triangle shapes. The moment I will open, it will be looking completed. Okay, look, this is the triangle and I am cutting it. Okay, you should not cut the middle line. Okay, look how I am cutting. Yes, if I open it, it look like that. Okay, so I have pasted it. From the middle line I have pasted, but edge I didn't paste, so it looking relief. It looking 3D types. And now we will make the star very easily. So we have to cut two equilateral triangle and we have to paste it. This is a triangle and another triangle. We have to paste it like this way. So our card is ready. For any confusion, comment us. So Santa is ready. Ho 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 ho. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.